The scanner confirms 38.5 degrees Celsius. Skin is clear.
And high wool quality confirmed.
The automated system ensures a stress-free environment, utilizing synchronized moving floors and non-contact guides. Utilizing advanced automation, the harvesting process is carried out quickly and without additional suffering, ensuring high hygienic standards.
Here in the second drum, the advanced tanning solution ensures softness and durability.
The jet dyeing station ensures complete saturation, with high-pressure nozzles applying rich pigments.
The synchronized production process utilizes a high-powered laser to meticulously cut intricate patterns.
Pressure's holding steady, the cooling tray is clear.
Excellent. Let's prep the next panel.
The automated process begins with high-speed polishing, followed by a fine mist sealant and rapid drying under heat lamps.
We need that pallet moved to inbound staging right now. Priority shipment.
Safely in the bag for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Here you are. Enjoy your new piece.
I will. Have a lovely day.
You too.
sliding in closer. There it is. Look at that texture. Rotating, soft lights reading beautifully.
Perfect highlight on the leather and shot.
We're rolling. Let's bring it a little forward. Perfect. Look at that texture. We'll give it a slow spin. Lights are stepping down and back up. Beautiful. That's the detail. Ready for a dispatch.
Pallet 24B clear, heading to rack E45.
Copy that, lane 3 is open.
Batch scanned, moving to outbound.
Crane 3, you are cleared to lower the stack to Bay 4. Confirmed secure.
Stitch line clean, no skip threads. Grain is consistent, sheen even. Although natural.
Oh, the quality is exquisite. It truly is one of our finest pieces this season. Would you like to try it?
Here you are. Thank you for your purchase.
It's lovely, thank you.